YouTube. So I have my brother with me today, and we are going to do the 2 times spicy noodle challenge. So I literally forced him to be here. Hi, what?
Hi.
ওরকম হাই বলবি না, আগের বারের মতো হাই বলবি।
তো
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, পারফেক্ট। Say hi. Okay, so he does not know the rules of the game, so I'm first going to explain it to him. The noodle that we're going to try is the Samyang 2 times spicy noodle. That is the only spicy ramen that we could manage to get. So the rule is that we will be given 2 minutes. That we will be given 2 minutes, and the first person that finishes the noodle first wins. So it's easy. Okay, so Shorana. So we are going to start it. So we had never tried this before. So I don't know how this tastes, neither does he. Speak for yourself. Say you don't know. Oh wait. Okay, so neither of us know how it tastes. There was the ramen. There was this chili sauce sort of a thing and chili flakes. Now it looks pretty red. Also, in terms of spice tolerance, which one of us do you think has more spice tolerance? এটা কি হচ্ছে? When he was a kid, he could not eat anything spicy, and then suddenly one day he just started to eat all these spicy food. So yeah, he has more spice tolerance. So okay, that was enough. Let's begin. Let's start the 2-minute timer, and all of you who have been watching me for all these years, please hope that I win. Okay, so here is the noodle. Wait! Okay, so we have the noodle here. Yeah, start the timer.
What? Too much spice.
Okay, ঝাল। আমাদের জল নেওয়া উচিত ছিল। I'm drinking the water, wait. Don't eat! Shona? Okay, so there was this mini water break because we did not realize it will be this hot. So we have 1 minute left. Let's begin. Uma. দেখ আমি বুঝে গেছি 2 মিনিটে হবে না, যে যত আগে শেষ করবে সেটা ভালো হবে। হ্যাঁ না পারলে ছেড়ে দেবে, আমি আর পারছি না, মুখ পুড়ে যাবে।
You don't need to.
জল খাবি?
2,000 years later.
ছোড়া কি করে খেলি? I'm sorry for doing this to you.
Okay.
ছোড়া I could not even finish half of what was in my bowl. You guys looked at what he did. How did you like it? The challenge?
Very challenging.
I almost killed my brother for this challenge and can't thank him enough for giving me content. So please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below telling me. Ask them to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe, like, and share this video.
Tell us in the comment down below who did you root for. Will you do another video with me?
And press
Will
the
you
bell and press the bell icon to get regular notification from this channel.
Will you do more videos with me, more food
Not
challenges?
this noodle challenge anymore.
Okay. Bye. Ta.
Bye.